The iPhone 17 is already emerging as one of the most highly anticipated smartphone launches in Apple's product history. And now, another reliable industry insider has confirmed a major hardware upgrade Apple fans have long awaited. Just a few days ago, respected analyst Ming-Chi Kuo reported that all iPhone 17 variants could receive a notable RAM increase. Now, top leaker Digital Chat Station has reinforced this report, adding further credibility to the claim. In a recent post on WBO, Digital Chat Station revealed that the entire iPhone 17 series will feature 12 gigabytes of RAM. This marks a substantial upgrade from the current iPhone 16 lineup, which maxes out at 8 gigabytes of RAM. For Apple users, this upgrade isn't just a numbers boost. It's a much-needed evolution that could drastically improve performance, especially with Apple Intelligence in play. If you're unfamiliar with Digital Chat Station, they have a strong reputation for accurate leaks within the mobile tech ecosystem, often sourcing information directly from supply chain insiders. That's why their reports tend to carry substantial weight. When both Quora and Digital Chat Station align on such a specific upgrade, it signals high chances of it becoming reality. Let's dive into why 12 gigabytes RAM matters so much. As it stands, the iPhone 16 series, including Pro models, is restricted to 8 gigabytes RAM. While that's serviceable, it's starting to become a limiting factor in the age of artificial intelligence. Apple Intelligence, the company's advanced on-device AI framework, is engineered for tasks like real-time personalization and complex offline processing. With 12 gigabytes RAM, the iPhone 17 would be far better equipped for these capabilities, reducing dependence on cloud computing. This translates into faster performance, improved responsiveness, and enhanced multitasking. Users could run demanding AI tasks such as real-time translation or photo enhancements seamlessly. It also paves the way for more powerful applications and next-gen features. Apple fans have been waiting for this, especially as many Android flagships already ship with 12 gigabytes or even 16 gigabytes RAM. This RAM boost could especially benefit the rumored iPhone 17 Air, which is said to replace the existing Plus model. According to Kuo, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will also include 12 gigabytes of RAM, joining the Air variant. Previously, there were doubts about whether the base model iPhone 17 would see the same upgrade, but if Digital Chat Station is accurate, every model in the lineup will feature this enhancement, an industry first for Apple. Beyond RAM, the iPhone 17 series has generated plenty of buzz, some exciting and some polarizing. Rumors suggest a radical design revamp for the Pro and Pro Max editions. Rather than the traditional vertical camera setup, these could feature a bold horizontal camera bar. The change is striking, and opinions are already divided among fans. Then there's the iPhone 17 Air. While still largely under wraps, the biggest rumor is that it could be Apple's thinnest iPhone ever. It may even take cues from the Google Pixel line, with a camera bar stretching across the back panel. Naturally, all leaks and rumors should be viewed with caution. Apple's plans are fluid, designs shift, and features can be scrapped. Take the rumored anti-glare display coating, for example. Once expected for the new Pro models, recent updates suggest that feature might be cut. This fluidity shows how quickly things can change in Apple's development cycle. Still, with multiple reputable sources pointing to a unified RAM upgrade, this leak appears solid. And given Apple's roadmap toward more powerful AI, heavier multitasking, and on-device privacy-focused processing, this move seems strategically aligned. We're still several months out from the official reveal, expected in September. But current leaks are already offering a clear preview of what's to come.